Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm just outside the Hard Rock Cafe in Vegas and I'm just taking a wee walk along here. I think just up here's the Paradox Museum. I saw a couple of wee pictures of it there and put through the TV screen and it looks quite interesting. It looks like something to see. So I may or may not do that. I don't know how much it's going to cost, but I like wee things like that, so can it be quirky things? So on the channel I try to do a lot of quirky things, so I'll show you. The Paradox Museum. I think it's a lot of optical illusions and stuff, so I'm not really sure. I'm just saying there's a Walgreens. 24 hours, so going to go in there and buy some stuff later on the way back. It's about 7:30 and I just got better. I couldn't sleep, so I just got better and decided to go a walk. So we'll see what we can find. So, what's this? I don't know if that's Puma or something. I'm not sure. Speed cat. Aye, Puma. I don't know if it's just Puma. I'm not sure. Pandora, Abercrombie and Fitch. Lululemon, not heard of them. Adidas. There's a kind of pharmacy over there. I have to say it is an experience, Vegas. I can see why my mum wanted to see it. I don't think she would come back again, but I love it. I would definitely come back. And next time I'm going to take Jacqueline. She'd love this. So we'll see. Oh, there's it. I just saw it. There's a Bellagio down there. I think the fountains are closed just now. I'm not sure, but that's a disappointment if they are closed. So it's switched off just now because it's one of the things you have to see, you know. And I thought about doing a video of the top 10 things to do in Vegas, but that was one of them, but the top 10 free things to do. But things haven't worked out the way I planned, so haven't been able to do all the things I wanted to do. Well, sorry, I've done the things I wanted to do, but I haven't done them as quick as I wanted to do them. So yesterday I wanted to do the Pinball Hall of Fame, the Punk Rock Museum, and I wanted to do it the first half of the morning, but it didn't work out that way. So it is what it is. So I haven't been able to do some things I wanted to do, but I've done a lot of other things. I noticed looks like a replica of the Eiffel Tower there. I don't know what. I'm assuming that's a hotel. There's Planet Hollywood. But I'm going to go and see what hotel that is. I didn't really research hotels for this. I knew about a few of them, but that one's kind of intriguing me because I don't remember seeing that. So, see. Some of the architecture's just amazing.
Good morning, man.
That building. A lot of money in that. That's Planet Hollywood.
Oh, no, sorry.
Dalton Grand Vacations. It's quite a nice building. I one day I might stay in that one. Miracle Mile shops. there's a film called Miracle Mile. Don't know if it's anything to do with that, but I'm sure that's in LA, the film Miracle Mile, but I could be wrong. So, just walked in here and I'm thinking this is where Ramsay's Fish and Chips is going to be. I think. I see a sign for fish and chips, but I don't think you see it. No, it's Bubba Shrimp Co. I'm sure I saw one for fish and chips. I must be mistaken on that one. The Sugar Factory. Right, we're up the escalator again. Polo Towers, looks nice. Cirque du Soleil in Bellagio, Cosmopolitan. That's quite a cool billboard at the top. You can look here, they've got all this kind of framework for the Formula One. It's quite interesting to see. I'm not a fan of Formula One, but it would be quite cool to see them going through Vegas. I'm sorry we're not there. It'd be good to see. A bit of construction going on here. Should be able to get past. Don't know what health and safety in Britain would say about this. It looks a bit dodgy to me.
Acuérdate que estos no son buenos pasos, no. Estos no hacen aquí cortamos. Oh, sí, no. Nomás ahorita pues ahorita que van a
Right, what we got here? Looks like some sort of food court. I need to try bubblegum shrimp.
No, I like zebra better, but maybe it don't make sense. Maybe you don't know what that
is. Always wanted to try that. And I think there's one in London. I'm sure there's one in London. But I'm just going to look at the menu here. Let's see. Let's see what the food's like. There's your kind of drinks. Just looking to see what comes up for the menu. Clam chowder. I'm going to get that in Vegas. Not Vegas, sorry. Silly me, San Francisco. You get it at San Francisco, you get it in a sourdough kind of roll. I think it's that kind of thing. It's taking a wee while to come up. It's 77 degrees. It feels really quite warm. There we go. It's not giving you enough time. Right, I might try that. But I think I'm pretty confident I'm going to try that. Looks like it might be quite a loud place, but we'll see. If I can film a wee video there, I'll do it. But escalator's closed. That's a bit of a kind of letdown. Sorry, I'm just looking. See the balloon. It's Paris. I don't know if the hotel's just called Paris, really not sure. I suppose if you get New York, having one just called Paris kind of makes sense. Well, I thought I'd do a wee walking tour of a couple of hotels, but the Paris one's intrigued me, so I've got to go way over there, and find the next crossing over to that. So that's a bit of a shame. It's not easy to do, so we'll see. In fact, I'm going to check if there's a lift. Anyway, if you've watched this far, thank you very much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, it would help the channel out. Leave a couple of comments and I'll try and reply as best I can. Okay, thank you very much, bye bye.